How to fix Instagram chat nickname not showing, problem solved. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. So if you go to Instagram and then click on the chat section, and then let me just select one profile here and then click on the name of the particular person here on the top. And then here you can see we don't have any like option for nickname. So to fix this problem, I have bought you a brand new video for this. What you need to do is that you just need to go to your phone settings. After going to phone settings, here you have to search for software update or device update or system updates. Wherever you will get, just click on it. And then here you have to check whether your device is asking for any kind of update or not. So it's basically a device update. So here you can see I have updated, but I have already updated. Okay, so after updating this, what you need to do is that just scroll down and go to apps. Okay, apps or app management, and click on app management or app list. Here you will get all the application, all the apps which has been installed to your phone. You can scroll down or you can just search on the search bar as Instagram. Okay, after clicking on it, you have to click on storage usage, and here you have to clear the data as well as the cache. Okay, after doing this, just go back and check whether the problem has been solved or not. Guys, if it is not solved, then what we need to do is that you just need to delete your Instagram from your device. After deleting the Instagram, reinstall it. After reinstalling, just go to Instagram and then just select any chat and then click on the name of it, and here you can see nicknames. So this is how you can fix this problem. Thanks for watching.